Good morning, my name is Ed Bucher. Everybody refers to me as Farmer Ed. I'm a master gardener in LA County. This morning we're talking about how to harvest green onions, scallions. Onions are a cool weather crop. In fact, you can put them in the fall and you can start harvesting them in March. Now when you plant scallions, you plant them just like you would carrots or even lettuce. You sow them, and when they start coming up and they grow up and they look like grass. Green scallions get about 8 inches tall, 10 inches tall, something like that. And that's the time to harvest them. They have a nice looking leaf on them. Anyway, you can just take a hold of the individual plants and pull them out. They just snap them right out of the ground. They have just a real small bulb, so they come out real easy. That's the way you harvest green onions. And they grow in clusters, or you can spread them out. If you get a bunch of them growing in a group, take them and spread them out, and they will proliferate and become real large so that you can harvest them just by taking them out of the ground. There's no storing of green onions. They will wilt no matter where you put them in the refrigerator, etc. You use them right away. That's the way you harvest your green onions, scallions.